Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this smartband. To change the straps or the wristband on this smartband, first you need to remove the old one. And to do it, it's quite simple. You simply grab your smartband and you need to take it out of the strap, because the strap goes around the body of the smartband. So to take it out, you simply pull on the strap to pull out the smartband like this. You need to struggle with it a little, but you can pull it out quite easily. Also, just be careful, because sometimes you may damage something. Just slowly and steadily pull it out and it's gonna snap out. And once you remove it, here we have the strap, looks like this, and the band that looks like this. Okay, and once you get the new strap or wristband, you simply take your band, put one side of the band inside of the strap like this, and then you pulled the strap over the band and it's gonna snap on like this and it's gonna hold. And that's how you change the straps or the wristband on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.